All right, so today we're taking a look at the BISSELL Little Green machine, but it's actually on cordless. So I know a lot of people have already seen the regular BISSELL Little Green machine that is the non-cordless version, and everybody loves it. I mean, it is such a compact, small, little wet vacuum, and this thing works great. Now, before we actually get into the features, I'm gonna be doing a demo here in just a second. So let's go ahead and take our soy sauce right here. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it onto the carpet. And as I talk, we'll go ahead and let it dry a little bit just so that it kind of soaks here in the carpet, and then we can see how good it cleans it up. So a pretty dark stain here, as you can see. And we'll go ahead and let that sit now for a second. Okay, so let's get on to the features here. So right off the bat, you're gonna notice that you've got two tanks. You're gonna have one right here for the clean water and the solution. And they're actually gonna provide you with a little sampler of solution in the box. So this is what you see right here. This is gonna be the BISSELL cleaning solution. And I've tried it out. It actually works relatively good. I was pretty surprised because, you know, usually when you get these little samples, you just never really know. But it actually worked pretty good on a stain that I had. So I would recommend probably picking up a bottle of this if you do pick one of these up. Now over here on the other side, this is where the dirty mess is going to be at. So you can see there's a little bit in there right now from the mess that we cleaned up earlier. And then this is the spout at the top that you're gonna pour all of it out. Now on the inside of here, there's going to be a float that will automatically kick up, and it's gonna turn the vacuum off once it's up to the max fill point. So you don't have to worry about this overflowing, and it knows exactly when it needs to turn off. And then on the water side, all you gotta do is undo this piece right here. This is where you're gonna put your water. You can see that there's marks on here as well. So this is gonna be the water line and the solution line. So you honestly don't really need that much solution. Even though that bottle is relatively small, that is just a sampler size. The regular size that you can get from BISSELL is a bigger one, and it does last for a while. And then this basically is just gonna click down and slide into place. So very easy to install. Now because this is a cordless version, you aren't gonna see any cords connected, but right here in the back, this is where you're gonna plug in your charger. It's gonna come with the included charger. Very simple, traditional, you know, circular plug right there. And then you've got your two prongs on this side. So easy to charge. And the great thing about this is you're actually gonna get about 20 minutes of use time on a full charge, which is pretty long, especially if you're gonna be cleaning up little spot messes like this. This usually only takes a couple of minutes to clean up. So that battery will last for a while. You're gonna have two buttons up here at the top. You've got your power button, which is just gonna turn it off and on. And then you've got this battery saving mode. Now, when I turn it on, I'll go ahead and show you the actual battery saving mode, but essentially what it does is it's going to lower the power until you start using it. So it kind of has like some kind of sensor on here where you push this down onto the carpet and start moving it, and then it'll go ahead and increase the amount of suction. Now, up on the top here, you're gonna see that this is our hose attachment. You've got your sprayer right here, so this is going to spray the solution. You can utilize this trigger and everything will spray out right there. Then you've got your brush. This brush is also removable as well. Then you've got your brush right up here, which is great for those tougher messes. And one of my favorite parts is this little window. And this is gonna show you the mess that you're actually picking up. Now this does pop off, so you can go ahead and take this piece off right here. And you could also pop off the brush as well. That's a little bit difficult to pull off right now, but basically you just pop that brush off and you can actually clean everything out really good. So I like the fact that they made it nice and easy for you to take everything off and you can clean it. Plus, it actually comes with a self-cleaning nozzle, which I'll show you right after the demo. So let's go ahead and get into that. Now again, to power this on, you're just gonna click this button here, and right away it's gonna show how much battery we have left. I don't know when I charge this left, so we will see together. I'll go ahead and click it on. We've got 1 bar of battery, so we should get to cleaning right away. First things first is we're gonna spray our solution. So we wanna just kind of go over it quite a bit. The more solution that you put, I notice it is easier to get the stain out. So let's go ahead and just spray this across like this. Now we're gonna go ahead and start suctioning it. Actually, let's go ahead and turn this off real quick. The second thing that I would do, if it is a tough mess, I mean, I think this is gonna come up pretty easily. You just wanna scrub it with the brush. So we could actually scrub this in a little bit here. And this is really just gonna get that solution. Okay, now that that's done, we'll turn it back on and let's go ahead and take this mess up. And just like that, on the first pass, it's already pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and go a little bit faster here. I don't wanna run out of battery. Now, once it starts to spread a little bit like this, I make sure that I'm gonna put more water in solution. And we're gonna just keep spraying this down until it's pretty much soaked. There we go. We're gonna go over it one more time with our water and solution. And now I really wanna start scraping this. We wanna hit it with the brush so that we can really get everything out. Okay, now you can see a majority of the stain has come out. Now, when we actually put the water in here, we just left whatever solution was in here before. So it was a little bit of a mix of water and solution. And because this is a tougher stain, you can see there's still a little bit left. So what I would do at this point is I would probably add a little bit more solution back into here and some water, and then just go over it 1 or 2 more times, and this stain should be completely gone. Now, looking here at the tank, you could really see how much we picked up. That is pretty disgusting. That is a lot of liquid right there. So it does a really good job of picking things up, and I like the fact that it has this brush so that you could really scrape it out. Again, one of my major recommendations here is to really soak the area that you're going to be cleaning up. Just make sure it's on there, and you want to let it sit for a while. Because this is just a demo on a video, I really only just put it on there and then I pretty much suctioned it off right away. But you actually would want to let it sit for about 5 minutes, then scrape it and then suction it off, and then it would do an even better job of taking it out. Okay, now the other piece here besides this actual brush is going to be our self-cleaning nozzle. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna push this on, we're gonna connect it like that. Then you're gonna turn the machine back on, we're gonna click the sprayer, and you're gonna see it's gonna go through, self-clean, and clean out the hose. So we'll turn it back on, we'll click that sprayer. You can see all that water and liquid coming from the solution is going through here, and it's gonna go ahead and clean the hose out. Now the great part about that is you don't have to worry about anything nasty getting stuck in the hose, which was one of the issues with the old BISSELL Little Green machine, and is one of the issues with a lot of these other sprayer carpet vacuums. So you gotta be careful, because obviously mold, bacteria, and everything can get caught up in here. And not only is it gonna stink, but it can also be dangerous. So I really love the fact that they included this self-cleaning nozzle that you basically just attach on the top. And then when you're done, you can just press the button right there, take it out, go ahead and put your hose attachment back on, and you're ready to start cleaning again. Because it's cordless, it makes it nice to be able to just bring all around the house. You can do little spot cleaning on things like your couch, on your rugs, on your carpets. And some of the use cases that I really found that this shines is gonna be out on your patio furniture. You're able to go out and just clean that patio furniture, spray it down with some solution, and suction it off. So that's one of the major uses that I use it for. And the other one is actually cleaning messes in your car. So if you wanted to shampoo your seats, your upholstery, you can just bring this out with you. And I like that you don't have a cord on here, obviously. And then the hose on it is relatively long as well. So if you've got this on your seat, you are able to clean down there on the ground pretty easily. So if you've been eyeing the BISSELL Little Green machine, especially the cordless one, I would definitely recommend picking one up.